was starting my business, I kept on waiting for the motivation to do the right thing. Then I realized something. The people who were crushing it, they were not waiting for anything. They just built a life where motivation was not even in the equation. Here's what changed for me. Instead of waking up and hoping that I would be motivated to work on my business, I designed my morning so the right choice was the easy choice. That meant coffee set up the night before, workspace ready, phone on silent, and my big rock of the day already written down. And by the time I woke up, there was nothing to think about. No motivation required because the structure decided it for me. And that's the shift. You don't build a life that requires motivation. You build a life where motivation is unnecessary. And here's how you'll do it. Number one, environment design. Remove any sort of friction from the right choice and add friction as much as you can to the wrong ones. You want the gym clothes laid out, phone in the other room, and the junk food completely unavailable at your place. Number two, identity and not goals. Stop saying that I want to go to gym. Say that I'm a person who goes to gym. Motivation comes and it goes, but identity stays. Have people and systems around you that expect you to show up. A friend waiting, a public commitment, or even a tracker that you share. When all three of these are in place, motivation becomes optional. You are moving forward because life itself is designed to make you move forward. This is what people mean by making it automatic. It's not magic. So here's what I want you to do this week. Pick one area of your life, just one, and redesign these three elements for that area. Try it for 7 days and see what happens. Drop a comment and let me know which one are you redesigning. And subscribe if you don't want to miss these 2-minute videos. And I'll see you in the next one.